Hello, good morning, students. Today we will be reading chapter 10 of class 3 tenses. Okay, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, and present continuous tense. So, this will be reading. So, first, let's start. Verbs have tenses that tell us when the actions happens. Verbs have tenses. Okay. So verb show actions. Verb shows action. Action दिखाता है. Tense of the verb shows the time of an action or event. Tense of the verb show what? Time. It shows time of an action or event, indicating whether the action is happening, has happened, or will happen in future. Okay. It means द वर्ब शोज द टाइम ऑफ द एक्शन. कब हुआ था, टाइम बताता है ये एक्शन कब हुआ था. द वेदर द एक्शन इज हैपनिंग, अभी हो रहा है या हो चुका है, और या फिर फ्यूचर में होगा. ओके. हियर यू सी राहुल इज आस्किंग हिज फ्रेंड्स अबाउट देयर प्लान्स फॉर द वीकेंड. सो कंप्लीट द आंसर्स विथ सुइटेबल वर्ड्स. 1 number. Mohit, I will be going for dash over the weekend. So what will be answer? Mohit, I will be going for swimming classes over the weekend. So here. Neha and Priya, we are dash to the mall. We are shopping to the mall. Neeraj, I am going to dash for my exams. Prepare. Kiran, I will be dash tennis at the complex playing. Simple present tense. So here read this sentence aloud. I drink milk. Dad jogs in the park every day. The sun rises every morning. The sun rises every morning. So here all the verbs in the above sentence are in simple present tense. Drink, jogs, rises. It is in simple present tense. When the form of verb in a sentence tell us about the action that happens in the present time, it is called simple present tense. Okay. So simple present tense is used to generally talk about an activity that happens on a regular basis but nothing is said about it completeness. Means वो ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, उसका completeness नहीं हुआ है, बट जो एक्शन अभी हो रहा है ऑन ए रेगुलर बेसिस में हो रहा है उसे हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस कहते हैं. जो हो रहा है रेगुलर बेसिस में होता है. लाइक आई गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे. मैं स्कूल रोज जाता हूँ. इज द प्रेयर ओवर. ओके. जो चल रहा है कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है उसे हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस कहते हैं. ओके. नाउ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. Read this sentence aloud. I drank milk. We played cricket yesterday. The plane landed 10 minutes ago. So drank, played, landed. All the verbs in this sentence above are in the simple past tense. Past tense मतलब जो गुजर चुका है. When the form of verb in a sentence help us to talk or write about things that happened in the past, it is called simple past tense. It is usually made by adding ed to the verb. Okay. Simple past tense is used to express an action started and finished at some specific time in the past. That is called simple past tense. Example you can see, we walked to school yesterday. कल हम स्कूल, here walked is given, so कल हम स्कूल चल कर गए थे. walked चल कर गए थे. कुछ टाइम से स्टार्ट हुआ फिर ख़त्म हुआ. My cousin visited us last summer. So visited हमसे मिलने आए थे, कुछ दिन आकर रहे थे. We lived in that house when I was a baby. वो घर में lived means उस घर में हम रहते थे जब मैं बेबी था, बच्चा था. Simple future tense. Read this sentence. I shall go to school tomorrow. I shall go. मुझे जाना होगा. I shall drink milk. My sister will visit us next week. All the verbs in the above sentences are in the simple future tense. We use the simple future tense to talk or write about something that has not happened yet but can happen in future. All the verbs above sentence are in simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to express an action started and finished at some specific sorry simple future tense is used to represent an action that has not happened yet and will happen sometime in the future. Okay, represent an action that has not happened, जो हुआ नहीं है फ्यूचर में होगा. ओके, उसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है. एग्जाम्पल, वी शैल रन द रेस टुमारो. Shall run. Okay. I shall not go to school tomorrow. They will play tomorrow. So we shall run, shall not go, will play. Remember to this shall will the pronoun I and we, and will shall with the pronoun I and we, and will with the pronoun you, he, she, it and they. It is used. Remember to use shall with the pronoun I and we. I और shall हम I और we के साथ लगाते हैं, and with the pronoun you, he, she and it we will use will. Understood? Now present continuous tense. Present. Read the following sentences aloud. Here given some example. I am playing cricket. I am drinking milk. All the verbs in this sentence are in the present continuous tense. Okay. All the verbs in this sentence are present continuous tense में है. I am playing cricket. I am drinking milk. The present continuous tense is used to tell what is happening right now. जो अभी क्या हो रहा है. Right now क्या हो रहा है. It is usually made by adding ing to the verb. It is usually made by adding ing लगाकर हम उसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. लाइक हियर सम मोर. Present continuous is used to express a continuing or ongoing action. जो चलता है या फिर जो चल रहा है, जो action happening at this present time, it express an action which is in progress at the time of speaking or reporting. जो चलता है. Rita is singing a song. जो अभी example is given. Rita is singing a song. जो कि गाना गा रही है. वीरा इज रीडिंग ए बुक. वो बुक वीरा बुक रीडिंग कर रहा है. अंडरस्टूड? सो इफ एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी. थैंक यू.